Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off voice guide notifications on Waze application. So how to turn off voice guide notifications on Waze application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Waze app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Waze app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the top left. Tap Settings menu. Tap Notification menu. And tap Voice Guide. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off voice guide notifications on Waze application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.